Hey guys, welcome in Stay Gorgeous family. I chosen bright saree with some golden jewelry. I found this combination enhance the positivity. Just enjoy the video and see how I create this look. Firstly, I am priming my face. I am using NIVEA cream and 24K gold primer. I set my brows back of camera and use Maybelline Fit Me concealer for eye makeup. Blend with blenders. It's time to use eyeshadow. Firstly, pick two shades for crease line and applying with fluffy brush. Blending is important in eye makeup. You only blend. Practice is more perfect to all. To define more darker, I am using another brush and pick dark brown shade. Apply on my outer corner of my eyes. Blending is important. Most part is in makeup blend. You just blend and blend. Next, take copper shimmer shade from same palette. I am applying with fingertips on crease line and see how the eye look. Take bright shimmer color from same palette with angular brush and apply on my brow bone. Another eye makeup is also done. Here I am using LAKME eyeliner and draw the line from middle of my lash line as well, just to draw because it's easy to draw. Turn on face makeup. For priming up, I am using 24K gold primer from PURPLLE. Before applying primer, I moisturize my face before eye makeup. I am applying foundation Super Stay 24 Hour from Maybelline. Is in shade Warm Nude. It gives natural finish to your face and easily blend. Blend with beauty blender. Never forget to your neck area and ear, otherwise it look like a flower. This foundation is my currently favorite because it covers your dark spots and gives flawless look. Now conceal my face. I am using this all-time favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Is in shade Ivory. I am applying concealer on the areas where I need to conceal, like underneath my eyes, to bridge of nose and little bit on forehead. And blend with beauty blender. I have applying on high points once my blending is finished and look my face. Here is also blending and blending and blending. Next, for set and baking of concealer, use L'Oreal True Match Compact and set concealer. After, I am applying loose powder from Maybelline where I had applied concealer. It's time to contour my face, and for that I am using bronzer from Sugar in shade Woody Wonder and applying on hollow of cheeks, jawline and sides of nose. For blush, pick same two eyeshadow from same eyeshadow palette and apply on my cheek, on bridge of the nose and forehead. Now again take dark brown shade from eyeshadow palette and applying on lower waterline with flat small eyeshadow brush for define your eyes bigger. For the lips, I am using lip liner from NIVEA and using Maybelline cream lipstick. Is in pink nude shade. For highlighting my face, high points like applying on my cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of nose with a flat brush. See, how's the look done out? If you like this video, give me big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned and stay gorgeous. Bye bye.